89-year-old Vivian Patrick was once an operating room nurse. Now she's in the middle of the COVID-19 pandemic. Patrick was a resident of Rehoboth Elder Care Home in Saskatchewan until last week. That's when she tested negative for the virus after at least 4 other residents became infected. Patrick's family pulled her out and put her on a plane to Ontario.
It's been hard. Mom is tough, and she has been a trooper, like I said, through all of this. But I think what really hurts the most is just the dismissive, uncompassionate response by Sask Health and by the minister's office, that people like my mother who helped, and my dad, who helped build Saskatoon. You know, my dad furnished the whole 5th floor of the Royal University Hospital through donations. The Saskatoon Quakers, my dad was the manager back in the day. You know, Telemiracle, like, they gave to this province. And this province has neglected my mom.
The experience has left Kelly frustrated. She says Saskatchewan Health wouldn't give straight answers about the outbreak, and she says the home itself was understaffed to the point that her mom wasn't bathed for 10 days. A care aide who came in when the home's regular staff had to self-isolate says the experience has been tough on her too.
I'm doing whatever I can to help and make sure everybody's safe, including myself and any other staff. And it's definitely hard. I mean, most of the residents here have dementia, so they're not quite sure what's going on, so that's a little hard. But the ones that are of clear mind, they're upset about it, but they understand what's going on, and they're trying to go by the rules that we are setting just to keep them safe and try to keep them as happy as you can.
Nearly a dozen private and public care homes are experiencing outbreaks. Yesterday, visits were suspended except for people visiting patients in palliative care. Saskatchewan's chief medical health officer says the measures are needed to protect the province's most vulnerable. Guy Kemville, CBC News, Saskatoon.